Why does your scanner show the P0317 engine code? What does it mean? P0317 is a diagnostic trouble code for rough road hardware not present. The P0317 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, loses the ability to determine whether unexpected changes in crankshaft speed. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Damaged or corroded wiring. Failed ABS wheel speed sensor. Faulty rough road sensor. Missing hardware after repairs. Crankshaft position relearn required. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Hyundai, Honda, Kia, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.